Now it's re-recording.
2 by 4 9 9.
It's over freaking 10-minute video thing.
No, it was almost 5.
Calling the Blizzard Entertainment.
Okay.
She sounds sexy.
You have a big glare. The girl sounds
Fala
sexy.
español. Un número uno. Please hurry up.
His face is in a big glare.
Shh.
Ah, yes.
Angie, you perv.
Shut up. Their experience high call volume. 10 to 15 minutes? You should hear the music.
Elevator.
It sounds like from Star Trek. Oh my god, this is worse than elevator music.
I can hear it a little.
We bring the camera closer, they can listen.
That's World of Warcraft on old music. Okay.
I think my monster's good.
It's tripping me out. Yeah.
You look like an angel because there's a glare on your head.
They're playing the Warcraft music.
Stephen, why are you talking to yourself?
Crazy. I have voices in my head.
Kill that.
Shut up.
It's opera.
Oh my god.
I had 10 views.
Okay, I'll stop this one and do another one.